Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you the 2020 Apex 193 BHS. Now Apex is really dominating the ultralight market. Part of that's going to be their aluminum frame, full fiberglass, and then they use Azdel composite panels. Now Azdel is actually lighter than wood and a better insulator. So a couple of things you'll notice, you have the rock guard here and then the half cap, full pass-through storage. All the baggage doors are on a magnet, so you can just leave it like that. And then when you're done, just shut it. Solar on the side there to trickle charge your batteries. You're gonna have a big power awning with LED lights, nitro-filled tires. Now going inside this trailer, lots of windows, lots of natural light coming into this trailer. Storage up above your bed. In the slide out, you're gonna have room to seat 4 people, and this actually makes out into a bed as well, with storage underneath. And then as you turn around here, you're gonna see we have a double sink, more storage, 2-burner stove, microwave, and then you're gonna have a full-size Dometic fridge and freezer. Now, a lot of the competitors are gonna have a smaller fridge combo. This is gonna give you more room to storage for those little bit longer camping trips. So 2 bunks back here. And then as I open up the bathroom, you're gonna see you got your shower, toilet, sink, everything enclosed in there. LED lighting all the way through, so that's not gonna draw very much on your batteries, and then a centralized AC system. They also have a little bit of a curvature to the roof, just for, you know, in case you're in snow area and things like that, just to give it more sturdiness. If you have any more questions on the 2020 Apex 193 BHS, call Brandon Reagan at 541-214-0223 and have a great day. Thank you.